Well, welcome back everybody. My name is Modra and we are carrying on with our Nightingale series, and I have made it back to the Essence Trader with my friend Eddie here, and we're going to buy a roof. Now I already bought the first one, so we're going to buy the second one, and I spent a bit of time playing last night. And we've been building a house, so we're going to head back home. Well, no, sorry, before we get home, we're going to see if we can do this. It saves me making another triple back this way. He's up there. So I've upgraded all my weapons and my armor. It should give me enough to get into here. Okay. Oh, just walk through and that puts you in. Okay. Okay. Is this loaded? No, it's not loaded. Whoa! I'm expecting that just yet. And you stop throwing stuff at me. Gunpowder? Oh yeah, cool. Did that hit the wrong thing? Nice. So, do we have to head downstairs? I guess we do. My buddy's heading down that way anyway, so... Oh, where is this loot? Open it. Okay, take all items. Wish there was a hotkey for that. Maybe there is, I just haven't found it yet. Come on, Eddie, keep up. Oh. Okay. Oh. Thought there might have been something hidden there. I'm not really sure what Eddie's doing, he's kind of bouncing around all over the place. Oh, it's a massive statue. Oh, that's pretty cool. I guess the idea is just to keep going down. I'm not really too sure what I'm doing here. Oh, hello. Oh, you've got your friends with you. Oh, I feel trapped. Not enough stamina. Maybe I should have rested before I did this. Where did Eddie go? He should be helping me with this. Take that. Oh, what happened to you, Eddie? You're supposed to be on this side, you know. That's a huge statue. Do I have to go all the way to the bottom for this? Okay. That actually looks like a way back up. I'm gonna check. No, I think it's down. We're continuously going down anyway. I think we keep going down. Oh, Jesus, Eddie, you gave me a fright. Uh-oh. Okay, you can do something there, Eddie. Like, you know, help. You? Oh, something hurt. Oh, thank you, Eddie. Don't talk to me. Oh, something's still throwing shit at me. Actually, I might have to heal here. Okay, is that everything? I hear footsteps, but that could be just our Eddie over there. Where am I supposed to go? There's more ways down. Okay, so the base of the statue is not the only way. We've got to go further down. Ooh, go down into the depths. Eddie, where are you? It looks like a big battle. And I probably should have repaired. Uh-oh. Repair? I don't have enough essence. Uh-oh. Let me, well, this meat will do. Repair. Help. I'll get you out of there. We don't want to be fighting on those stairs. Eddie, save me. And we do that. I think we might be finished. My canary is objecting in the background for some reason. I'd like to go check that in a sec. Let's make sure we get all this loot first. I'm not sure if it despawns or not. And I don't even think that's the end of this. Right, I'll just pause this for a sec, if it even can be paused. Okay, canary's all good. He had a seed bell and he just ate so much of it that it crumbled in half, and now he's objecting because it's not there in one piece anymore. Oh, this is interesting. Are we going to have another big fight here? Okay. Can I take this? Oh, another thing to pick up. I heard footsteps. I thought I was getting attacked. I just stopped that. I didn't quite read it all, but I got the gist of it. So, what now? Oh, activate it. It's a button. Ah. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, that didn't do anything at all. Oh, okay. Okay, he winds up. Winds up and then he stops. Okay, okay. He's winding up. Oh, I couldn't get out of there in time. Oh, wee. Eddie, buddy, careful. He hurts. Right, he's done his attack. Come on, we got this. Not enough stamina. Uh-oh. Eddie, careful buddy, you're gonna die. I wonder if my pick is better. Whoa, my pick is way better. Okay, should have been using the pick right from the start. Oh, I'll come and save you, Eddie. Okay. Antiquarian card. Okay, we got what we come here for. Oh, hey, Puck. Where the were you? You could have been helping me.
Oh, well done, Realm Walker.
Hi, Puck. I wonder if that's the last time we see you. Okay. Is there a quick way out of here? That would be nice. I don't want to climb all the way through this again. No? Yes? No? Probably would be a smart idea just to use my fast travel back to my home map and we'll travel to our house. I have to come back here, but I also need a lot more essences. So this is my house. This is the stone that I put down. You probably guys remember that. I haven't done anything with all my benches and stuff. These have not changed. But I've been building a house. It's just a square house at the moment. I like the round windows. I kind of wish we could have more choices there. And maybe as the game develops we get that. So we've got an upstairs room with some windows looking out at our nice scenery and our nice shipwreck. These windows don't really show much. I probably should have built up there, but that's okay. I have just realised these floors are going in different directions. I'm not too sure why. And so all the stuff that's outside in the tent is going to come into here. And I've given myself a deck. A nice deck to have a look at this gorgeous view. This is an amazing view. And what I just brought when we first were at the Essence Trader is these roofs. So we'll see what we can do here. So building in here, we place blueprints down. You can pretty much get this exactly as you want. Oh, we even got internal ones. See, I'm going to have to make this, change this. I really want to do this a bit better. Where's my roof? Angled roof, that one there. Might make a, let's see if I can make a wee quick change here to make this look better. We're going to try something. I don't know if you can do this. I have not tried building without something underneath it. But bear with me. We'll see how this goes. Do we get resources back for doing that? I don't think we do. No, it doesn't look like we do. But we'll make a door here. I hear something. Oh, actually, if I turned them around the other way, that probably would have been right. What is that noise? Okay, what are you doing? Well, I'm getting hurt from the hail, so let's go back inside. So yeah, while we're waiting for this bad weather to finish, we might take this time to talk about what I'm planning on doing with this game. So over the weekend, I'm going to be playing this quite a lot with my wife. And I'm not sure what that's going to mean for this game, this series or playthrough. So after the weekend, if we come back and I'm quite a lot further ahead, or things have changed quite significantly, I will explain that in the follow-up video. But I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a heads up that I am going to be playing this quite a lot of the weekend with my wife, and I'm probably not going to be recording it. So if there's seems like a big jump, that will be my reasoning. And I hope this weather doesn't take too long to disappear. I want to get out and do some things. We got to go back to the essence trader and get the mortar station, but I'm going to need a lot more essences. Oh, I actually got given quite a lot. I must have got that from finishing that quest. Can I move these things? Actually, can I start bringing things inside? Can't hold E. Can I inspect? No. I need a short rest anyway. Hold for more options. Short rest and long rest. She does have a party. Okay, well, this is what I'm probably going to be doing with my wife over the weekend. I'm not sure how that is actually going to work, but we'll figure it out. But why can't I pick up some of these things? Damn, am I going to have to rebuild them all? Oh, that's not what I intended to do at all. Okay, what if I have an empty slot? Can I just pick it up, mate? Okay, I can't go to it. What if it has to be one of these ones then? Build mode. What if I do build mode? Okay, so it looks like I do have to destroy things. Just trying a few different keys, but that's not what I had in mind. Okay, am I missing a tool? I haven't made them yet. Simple hammer. I haven't made a hammer yet, so maybe I should do that. There's these straps, wood and stone. I'm not sure if I got all of that. So we wanted the hammer. The only other thing I don't have is these climbing picks. Might just put the rest of the stuff into the house. Once I get that roof built, I'll figure out whether I want to keep it like that or not. It does look reasonably okay actually, but I wish I'd turn them around the other way. So, what was that? Simple hammer, what does it do? That's it. Okay. Okay, so there's a two-handed one. We'll put it down instead of the sickle. Okay, so doesn't let me do that. What does it let me do? That's fixing. Okay. It's only a repair tool. You know what? We're just going to break it down. We'll do the simple workbench. Okay, so that's definitely not what I was expecting. Okay, so if we press X, we can press R, and then we can move things inside. So we might sleep under the stairs. Well, at least I found it out before I ruined everything. I probably have to clean this out, I'd say. We'll put you under the window. Let's see if we can move this without taking everything. Can we move everything with all the resources in it? Oh, look at that. Don't have to empty the boxes or the bags. That's pretty cool. And this will be your bed, but you can sleep on the other side. Same sort of conditions as me, so we'll share a lake. And what it is that I broke. So this was sewing bench. Hang on, I just need to get rid of that other menu. Sewing bench, and I need to put them in. But it was workbench. Perfect. So we need wood and plant fibre. We'll go get that. Look at all this wood. You've been busy chopping stuff down for us, have you? Oh, was that moose? Is that what he was doing over here? What do I need to craft that light? I saw some light sources. What is this one? Wide wool sconce. Twine and sticks. I'm not even sure how to make twine yet, so let's place some candles. Oh, they have to go on the ground, do they? Okay, so we'll put one here, I guess. And we'll put one... yeah. A bit weird that they have to go on the ground like that, but that's okay. And I'll put some resources into there. So our roof should be starting to get built. Very slowly, by the looks of things. I'm going to check to see what else I need. Or if I can even see what I need. So I need sticks, plant fiber, lots of plant fiber. Okay. Okay. So we'll just get some of them, get that roof sorted out, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that roof. Those candles don't give anywhere as much light as what I thought they would, so I might have to try fixing getting that a bit further. And how much more resources do you need? Just one more plant fiber. One more. And that'll be my luck. It's one short. Oh, hello, big moose. Do you want to come check out my new house? Okay, so our house should be done. Like, I am disappointed with the amount of light on these candles. I have to find a better light source. But as the game goes on, it will, and I'm going to redesign this house a little bit. I like this view. I think this view is incredible. It almost looks like someone's glowing down there. But I really wanted that shape on the roof this way. And I didn't realise they were corners, so I might have to find a way to get up here and do that. And I don't really like how these floors are in different directions. What is that down there? Oh, that's one of those shelter things, that's okay. So anyway, I am going to call this one here. I'm not too sure how much more you'll see before the weekend. And like I said, I might jump forward. So if all of a sudden this house is completely changed and I've got a whole heap of better gear, hopefully, then it is because I've been playing the weekend with my wife. So for now, it's in... oh, I'm getting cold. Let's get inside and hopefully we can warm up a wee bit. I need to put some wood on fire. Please tell me I've got some wood on me. Ah, look at all this wood. Actually, can I put it in? Yeah, that'll do. So yeah, we will enjoy the view. Looking outside and keeping nice and warm by our nice cozy fire. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.